Hi friends, Saurav here. Welcome back to my channel. In our last tutorial we have learned about primary key. Today we are going to learn about foreign key. Guys who haven't watched my last tutorial, I prefer to watch that video first. That's going to help you to understand about this as well. So let's start tutorial. As primary key, foreign key is also of two type: column level and table level. I'll explain you both things one by one. And to create a foreign key on any table, we have to create a parent table first, and we'll have to define a primary key on that parent table first. Either we have to define primary key or we have to make a unique key on that table on our parent table. All right. So here we will be defining a parent table as my city, and then we will be defining a child table. On that child table we will be creating foreign key. All right. So this is how I have created. I already have created these many examples I have written. That's gonna save our time because a lot of examples are here. So I already have written all these things before starting the tutorial. So this is our base table, my city. This is having two columns, city ID and city. The city ID I defined as primary key. So let me run this query first in SQL Workshop. Copy it and paste it in our SQL Workshop, run it. So as you can see, table got created. You can describe the table as well. DSC my city. Let's run this. As you can see, we have a primary key and other column as the label column of varchar 2 type. Okay, so let's come to Sublime Text. Yeah, so here I have created my primary table or parent table. I could say I have created a parent table. Now I'm going to create the child table. On this child table I have 3 columns: ID, name and city ID. This city ID I'm going to create for foreign key over this city ID. So how I'll do that? I have to write city ID, then data type of that column, then we'll write constraint, name of that constraint, references are parent table, and the column on which we want to reference are this column. Okay, so this is how the syntax is. Let's copy this and paste it in our SQL Workshop. Control V and run this query. So this is one way to create a foreign key. Other ways, this is what we call it as a column level foreign key. Now I'm going to show you table level foreign key. Here I have created 3 columns. Now after creating the columns, I'm writing about the foreign key. Syntax and the writing will be same: constraint foreign key, name, and then the keyword foreign key, and the column, this column over which I want to create foreign key, and the keyword references. This is as parent table and the column of that parent table. Okay, run this query, copy and paste it here. Control V. Before that, let me drop the table because we already have created a table. So let me drop that. EMP, enter, dropped. Now we can run this query. Yeah, table created. So this is other way to create the foreign key on any table. Now the third way is, I already have a table. I already have created the table. Now I want to alter the table and will create a foreign key. Okay, I'll show you this as well. Let me explain you this thing first. This is a simple way to create the table, as you all know. And here what I'm doing, I'm altering the table using alter command. So if you are not knowing about alter command, I'll give you a link in description below where I have explained about the alter command. You can get back to that tutorial and learn about alter command. All right, so what I'm doing here, alter table, emp, our child table, add constraint, the name of our foreign key, then the keyword foreign key, and the column on which we wanna create foreign key, and this is gonna reference, let me scroll it right, this is gonna reference our parent table and the column of that parent table. All right, okay, so let me copy this and Control C and paste it in our SQL Workshop. Let me clear the screen first and paste it. Before that, let me drop the table. drop table my underscore emp, control enter. So table dropped. Now we are going to create the table without giving any foreign key or primary key or anything, and table created, as you can see. And now we will be altering the table and adding foreign key on this table, on this child table. So table altered, foreign key has been created. So hope this tutorial is understandable to you. You got the concept about foreign key, and yeah, that's it for today's. And guys, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Your reaction means a lot to me, and thanks for watching the tutorial. Thank you very much.